Alan Riggs, maker of the Green-Ovative G-Mag Power Cell. Winter weather brings storms and power outages across the country. Be ready when your lights go out by using G-Mag saltwater powered battery chargers. G-Mag makes power anytime, anywhere, in any weather, day or night, just by adding salt and water to the unit. This is a Green-Ovative Power Cell. It makes power anytime, anywhere, in any weather, day or night. If you take out these two plugs, put in about 2 teaspoons of ordinary table salt, add a little bit of water till it just dribbles out this hole right here. Put the plugs back in it. Put them back in, shake it for about 15 seconds, and it instantly makes electricity like this one is. It's running this motor, running this light. This one's charging 6 AA batteries right now. No wires, no cords, no cables, nothing like that. Just a little bit of salt and a little bit of water. Now these are 4 batteries that I just charged with salt water. You put them in this 4 battery USB charger, and it's a decent flashlight, but it's an even better cell phone charger. So we're gonna just plug this in here. Now I'm charging my cell phone. Anytime, anywhere, in any weather, day or night, you have power. And it comes with this multifunction cord, an I3-4 adapter, an I5-6 adapter, mini USB, micro USB. It's about 1,000 different things that can charge with salt and water. We also have these battery adapters. This is a AA to D adapter. You put in 2,000 milliamp hour AA batteries in here, snap it shut, and it's nearly equivalent to this 5,000 milliamp hour D size battery. But the deal is, you never have to buy another big box store $5 D size throwaway battery ever again. Nor do you need to buy another $4 C-size battery, throwaway battery. Now these are way cool. This is a AAA to AA adapter. You put a AAA battery in this AAA to AA adapter, put it in the unit, charge it just like a AA battery, pop it out, use it like a AA battery, or take it out of there, use it like a AAA battery, but when you put it back together, it's a AA. You can put it in here, use it like AA. You can put it in here, use it a AA to drive this C. One of our new products is this 8 AA battery to 9-volt adapter. Put 8 AA batteries in here. Put your 9-volt rechargeable battery on the top. 15-20 minutes, it's charged. And if you don't want to do it that way, put a 9-volt connector on here and use this in your device. That's about 4 times more powerful than this battery. So that's what we have cooking here.